Hi everyone, it's Joey from Recipes for Runts. Today is August 11th, 2014, and today is a special day. It's my 20th domino rally. So today you're not going to believe this domino run. That is, it is about 1,000 dominoes. So it starts from right there, and my grandparents are here to watch it with me, like in all of them. And there's about 300 of these dominoes right here. There's about 300 of these mixed up ones right here. And then it goes into some orange ones, about 150, so that's about 450. Then about 75 of those neon pink ones, so that's about 525. And then it goes into about 90 of these green ones, and that's 615. And then it goes into about 100 of these yellow ones, and that's about 715. Then into 50 of these magenta ones, so that's 765. And then all the red dominoes equal up to 900 of them. So that's 904 with those big dominoes, and those 4 dominoes, purple ones, there's about 4 of them. So altogether, there is about 908 dominoes in this domino run. So we're going to knock it over from a countdown from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Push off. Look at that.
Look at that. Woo!
Whoa.
Wow, isn't that something, Joe?
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. Wow.
It's going
Woo!
faster
And faster. Wow.
Hey!
Wow.
Yay. Awesome.
So, my 20th domino rally special.
Good. That was great.
And
So-
it's right there. It kind of, and the domino launched a pink domino right there.
Okay, so how many?
Say bye.
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 Bye, guys. See you next time.
You want me to